Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your store language preference on Steam. So you just installed Steam or moved to a new region and the store isn't in your preferred language? No worries. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your Steam store language in a few easy clicks. First, open the Steam app here on the top right corner. Click on your username. It should open a drop down menu. Here, click on Store Preferences, which should open this area. Here, you can customize how the Steam store interacts with your account. Now, on the left hand side, there should be language preferences. Clicking on it should take you to this page. Here, you can choose the language you prefer according to your preferences. Now scroll down and click Save. There you go. Your stored language is now set to your preferred language. You should see the changes on the store page once you restart the app. Hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching.